What if I tell you you can become a fluent English speaker within 1 month? Assume you have stuck in a situation where everyone can speak in English apart from you. What would be your next step? Definitely, your next step would be learning English. It would become your biggest dream. You would start with full of mistakes. At the end, you would definitely learn English speaking. Can it not be possible in the real world? I think it can be possible. It can make you possible, but you have to just think in your mind it is your biggest dream for 1 month. You have to think there is nothing apart from this for 1 month. You have to be dedicated, hardworking, and honest for learning. So, before starting, I want to tell you that every mistake that you make is a part of the success. Every mistake is a victory. Every mistake will take you toward the success. So don't think it is a mistake. Always think it is a victory. You in the beginning you may stuck in a loop where you get mistake and again you resolve you resolve that mistake. Get mistake, resolve. Find the mistake, resolve the mistake. It is a loop, but after few days you will definitely end this loop and learn a fluent English speaker. You have to follow only my instruction that I am going to tell you. You would definitely become a fluent English speaker. It's up to you. So, first of all, as I told you in my previous video, there are 4 stages for learning English speaking. For the initial time, you have to learn English. You have, if you are getting understand by this video, it means you know the tenses and the modals, but you are not able to speak. So for the speaking part, you have to just start speaking with simple sentences for 1 week. For initial days, 1 or 2 days, you may face problem in speaking in the public, but after 2 days you will become habitual. Then you have to start with the expression whatever you are speaking. So once you have started speaking with the expression, you have to practice for next 2 days. Then your first week would be complete and congratulations, your first stage has been done. So then you have to move into the second stage. In second stage you have to just combine 2 sentences and try to speak that. You have to follow it for 1 week and you would definitely do it. But you have to be dedicated, hardworking, and do not give up. Just keep yourself pushing to make just keep yourself pushing to find the mistake and correct the mistake so that you can easily speak in public. You just don't get rid of the mistake. Always try to find the mistake and speak in the public in confident. Don't think what are the thinking. Then you will move on to the third stage. In the third stage you have to watch a video for 5 minutes. That should the every video should be knowledgeable and the relatable so that you can easily get into your mind. You just have to watch it for 5 times, then read that video, then write that video. I'm not saying write that video. Actually, then write the content of the topic on your notebook. You have to read that content for 5 times continuously. After reading, you have to speak in front of mirror. But keep remember, once you start speaking, you have to complete that topic that you have written, that you have already watched 5 times. You can easily complete it. Or if you are getting stuck in the speaking part of the topic, so don't worry. It can be possible that you may make mistake in the beginning, but once you try to complete that topic, you will get confidence for speaking. And after second time or third time, you will automatically find the mistake and correct it. And after 6 or 7 times, you would definitely speak fluently that topic. So you have to do it for next 15 days. So once you complete this complete process, you will become a fluent English speaker. So if you really want to become fluent English speaker, you have to make your biggest dream that you have to learn English speaking. If you don't learn, there is nothing in the world. So you have to think like this. then you can become a fluent English speaker. Otherwise you cannot become. So at the end, I want from you, you need to do comment that how many of you have started learning English, and how many of you have learned the English